welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Several activists and also the dependents have strongly reacted to Chief Minister's announcement that mining will resume in the state before the 2022 elections. Some have raised their eyebrows whether this is an election stunt or really it will resume. On Wednesday, during the cabinet, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that the government had received the governor's assent for the Goa Mining Corporation bill. It was sent for governor's assent on the September 1st.
This is an extremely foolish statement being made by the Chief Minister. It is totally irresponsible and it is purely linked to electoral politics. I think the Chief Minister should decrease the number of his press conferences. I think it is better if he follows the example of Mr. Narendra Modi and stops giving press conferences. Because every day he makes statements which are not justified. So he said that I am going to now start. How is he going to start? I would like to know. How is he going to start? The corporation has only now received the assent of the governor. And it will take some time. Whether you want to work on a mine, you require an environment clearance. That will take nothing less than 1 to 2 years. To remove material from dumps, you require environment clearance. That is subject to Supreme Court's orders. You cannot allow any dumps to be used for this purpose without consent of the Supreme Court. So I don't understand why you ask me to respond to these type of statements, because it doesn't mean anything as far as we are concerned. And he makes these statements on a daily basis without having any factual support for what he is saying. District Mineral Foundation is meant for the present generation, but only for mining affected people, for mining affected villages, mining affected communities, as a sharing of the income that comes from. So there are two different things. One is spending fund, one is a conservation fund. Now the Chief Minister mixes up both. That means he has not read the files. If he has read the files, he has not understood the files, what the files mean. So it is very difficult for me to respond to whatever he says. Now we will oppose whatever he has come out under the permanent fund scheme. The Goa Foundation is completely opposed, because this is not a fund scheme meant for the present generation. It is meant only for the future generations.
It took them quite a long time to get the assent of the governor. Why this delay? पहिलो प्रश्न म्हजो. दुसरें, आता 3 महिने लागता जर मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा. What are the various things that he wants to do within these 3 months? He has to, ताणे in English भाशेन सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार, he has to, kick the road running, hit the road running. There cannot be any delay. People are suffering, and people are really suffering. जे mining संबंधित लोक असलेले ते खूप त्रासांत आसात. आनी जितले दीस वेतात तितले लोकांक त्रास जातले. ताका लागून we support the Chief Minister's decision. His intentions may be good, but he has to put his bill act that is now promulgated into action and see that people in Goa benefit. And he benefit jatana, he has to appoint correct people to see that this entire mining operations is reorganized. It is in shambles today. And the Supreme Court has given its final verdict on the mining, and now he has got a clear road. सारको रस्तो तुजो क्लियर आहा आनी ताका फाटी फुडें वचपाची गरज ना.
Claiming that there is no government policy to protect and support the traditional bakers, the All Goa Bakers and Confectioners Association has decided to hike the price of pound local bread by ₹1. Hence, from October 2nd onwards, pound will cost you ₹5 instead of ₹4. Speaking to media, the president said that a pound weighing 50 grams will cost about ₹5 at retail outlets.
तो जैसा कि ये रेट बढ़ रहा है, आप जानते होंगे कि महंगाई भी बढ़ी जा रही है, पेट्रोल का रेट बढ़ता रहा है, तो आपको दिक्कत होती है ये सारा ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में? गोवा में बहुत सारा जो ट्रेडिशनल पोई है वो बाहर से भी सप्लाई होता है, जो सस्ते दाम पे मिलता है। तो आप ऐसा कुछ कहना चाहेंगे कि सरकार को उनके ऊपर कुछ नियम लागू करना चाहिए ताकि जो आप लोकल हैं उनको ज़्यादा बढ़ावा मिले इनके बिजनेस में? ऐसा होना चाहिए सरकार की तरफ से।
आज पावाची रेट वाडलेली आसा। या आतां कांय दिसांनी पयला तुमी पेट्रोल वाडटा, गॅस सिलिंडर वाडटा, आतां पावूय वाडलेलो आसा। आतां लोकांनी करपाचें तें कितें? बायक चलोवंक मेवना, रांदपाक मेवना आनी खावपाक आतां पावूय मेवपाचो ना। आतां पाव म्हाका दिसता थोड्या दिसांनी थोड्या दिसांनी लग्जरियस कम्युनिटी जातली। फकत कोण पयशांकार आहा तेच अफोर्ड करूंक शकतले। पयलो पाव म्हणटा स्टेबल डायट आहले। आमच्या गोंयांत सगल्यांक पावा शिवाय जायना आहले दिसाक। सकाळीं ब्रेकफास्टाक जावं सांजची चायेक जावं पाव जाय आहलो, पूण आतां तो वाडून वाडून 5 रुपयांचे वयर पावला। थोड्या दिसांनी म्हाका दिसता 10 रुपया पासून जातलो। हांव मागता गव्हर्मेंटान ह्या पाव इंडस्ट्रीन आहा जे आमचे पदेर भाव आहात तांकां सबसिडी दिवची। ते करून ते आमकां अफोर्डेबल रेटीक पाव दिवंक शकतले, कित्याक पाव हो सगळ्या घरांनी लोक खाता।
Giving justice to Siddhi Naik will be giving justice to entire Goa. Women activist Auda Vegas has demanded proper investigation into Siddhi Naik's death case. She has also welcomed the 3 committee doctors' reports submitted to GMCD. Now the ball is in the police court to probe the manner of the death.
Welcome the decision of the 3-member committee of doctors who have looked into the post-mortem report and the complaint of the father. The father's complaint has played a very positive role, and now we hope for action from the police. I know that the police are bound to take action because the report speaks that it is for the police to find out whether it is suicide, murder or accidental death. So all these issues the police will go through, and I have faith that they will look into this with the seriousness that it deserves, because no authority has a right to say the girl committed suicide out of depression and then just pass it off. We have so many girls in Goa who we don't want them to be treated in this manner, and that is why we had that forensic report examined by a medical doctor and the post-mortem report by a doctor who knows these things, and that is how the father filed a complaint. I also want to say that there is no viscera and there is no swab. Now these two are a big crime against that child. Her dignity in death, her dignity for justice is affected. And I'm depending now totally on the government of Goa. If it has the respect that it is supposed to show women of Goa, and if it has the care and concern for the women of Goa, that they will see that no stone is left unturned to get to the bottom of this and to give justice to the dead girl, Siddhi Naik.
Workers of Daman, India 4-lane port connectivity project went on strike on Wednesday over pending salaries. The workers claimed that the salaries were not paid since last 4 months. One of the workers even said that we have families here and we have to send money to our parents as well in our native places, and we also have festivals. But today we have nothing.
उधारी लिया है क्या वो पैसा देगा, घर में भेजेगा, क्या कहेगा? हम लोग को पूरा सैलरी चाहिए तो जाके हम लोग काम करा सकता है, नहीं तो नहीं करा पाता है। अभी ये पोजीशन आ गया हम लोग को।
वो कुछ चेक का बोलता था, क्या है वो?
हाँ, चेक क्या, जो अकाउंट खोलेगा कब खोलेगा, क्या करेगा, कोई भरोसा नहीं मिल रहा हम लोग को।
4.5 महीना से हम लोगों को पेमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है, तो हम लोग कैसा चला पाएगा? इवन हम लोग इधर भी फैमिली रखा है, गांव में भी हमारा परिवार है, उधर भी हमारा परिवार को चलाना है, तो 10,000 से 20,000 का बीच में हम लोग पेमेंट लेगा, तो 4 महीना में एक पेमेंट हमको मिलेगा, तो हम लोग कैसा चलाएगा? ये हम लोगों का मेन प्रॉब्लम है। अभी 4 महीना का पेमेंट हम लोगों को मिलेगा, तभी हम लोग जाके काम चालू करेंगे।
4 महीने का पेमेंट बचा हुआ है हम लोग को। 4 महीने का पेमेंट
मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त
जब तक क्लियर नहीं होगा तब तक नहीं होगा, नहीं करते,
नहीं करेंगे। वो क्या बोलते हैं, आधा देता है पेमेंट,
आधा तो हम लोग को अभी खाने के लिए देगा। अभी हम लोग को राशन पानी नहीं है तो उसके लिए दे रहा है ना, खाने पीने के लिए दे रहा है ना। वो ऐसा थोड़ी है जो आधा दे देगा तो बोलेगा काम चालू करो, तो चालू थोड़ी हो सकता है ऐसा।
अकाउंट ओपन करके 2 महीना से लोग बोल रहा है, 2 महीना से इनका प्रोसेस चल रहा है। ये लोग सरासर झूठ बोलता है। हम लोगों को 4 महीना से ऐसे बोल रहा है, हम लोगों को 4 महीना आज 15 दिन हो गया, 4.5 महीना हो गया। अभी हम लोग घर में स्कूल ओपन हो गया, बच्चे का फीस जमा करना, 4 मंथ का फीस जमा करना है, ट्यूशन फीस देना, वैन फीस देना, यहाँ पर हमारे लिए खाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है।
4 महीना का सैलरी बाकी है सर। द प्रॉब्लम इज वी हैव नॉट ओपनड दी, आपको यू नो दैट वी हैव सीएम का मीटिंग हुआ था। सीएम का मीटिंग होने के बाद यूनियन मिनिस्टर गडकरी साहब का भी मीटिंग हुआ था। वी वेंट टू दी दिल्ली में बात करने के बाद उधर डिसाइड हुआ है दी फंड जो भी हम लोग PWD से मिलेगा दैट विल बी यूटिलाइज्ड ओनली फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट। उसके लिए दे हैव गिवन द गाइडलाइंस टू ओपन द escrow अकाउंट एट गोवा itself. So we are in that process. Last 26th we got the clearance from the PWD by way of agreement and all other process to open the escrow account. That escrow account, the process with the ICICI Bank is getting opened. So last 20 days में, last 15-20 days में we are processing of the escrow account. That escrow account process as per RBI guidelines, it takes time. So meanwhile, for these people's salary, we have arranged some interim relief from our head office, which may be expected by today or maximum tomorrow. And balance all salary will be paid after opening of the escrow. The salary will be 00, will make it after opening the escrow.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Wednesday said that his government will be writing the Home Ministry, Directorate of General of Shipping and Ministry of Environment, demanding strict action against those responsible for creating pollution in the deep sea because towers were seen across the Goan coastline.
म्हणजे जो बीचीसचेर जाला ताजेर आमची आतांच थोडो वेळ पयलीं टुरिजम मिनिस्टर हांव CS एनवायरमेंट पोल्युशन आनी टुरिजम हांच्या बरोबर मिटींग जाली. आमी हाज्याय पयलीं हो विशय जो आसा वीच इज एन डिफरंट मिनिस्ट्रीज ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इनवॉल्व, वीच इज एन शिपिंग मिनिस्ट्री, अगेन द एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री एंड होम मिनिस्ट्री. हांव पर्सनली होम मिनिस्टराक लेटर बरोवपाचो आसा की ह्या विशयाचेर आमी हाज्या पयलीं आमी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक लेटर आमी पयलींय बरयलां आनी रिगार्डींग दीस हांवें आतां DG शिपिंग परत होम मिनिस्ट्री आनी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर हाका परतूय लेटर बरोवन आमी जाता तितके बेगीन अशा पद्दतीचे जे कोण पोल्युशन्स क्रिएट करता इन द डीप इन द हाय सी ताचे जाता तितके बेगीन एक्शन घेवची आनी गोंयचे बिचीस अशा पद्दतीन इट इज नॉट ओन्ली इन गोवा बट इट इज ऑन वेस्ट कोस्ट, एंटायर वेस्ट कोस्टचो हो प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट जावपाक लागला. बट गोंयांत आमी ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स फॉर द पोल्युशन आनी बिचीस हांकां दिल्ली आसा की वेळच्या वेळी जे बिचीस आसा हे सगळे क्लीन करचे म्हणून इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्या.
Here are the glimpses of the 7 days Ganesh celebration and Visarjan. Due to the recent bad weather and IMD issuing warnings to the fishermen not to venture into the sea, finally, after the climate was quite okay, the fishermen ventured into sea. Here are the glimpses where the fishermen were lucky with a bumper fish catch.
कसले कसले पडला नुस्तें आयज चिंता
Today we had put this rampur in the morning by 12:30 and we got some huge cats which will go for icing and this will go for fertilizer. We also got mancos with us, bangades with us, okay, and lot of other fishes like prawns, tiger prawns, okay. Good day and good catch. Hope we get it for this every day. This is a student. This is a student.
IMD has withdrawn any weather warning in Goa. However, it has predicted that Goa will witness moderate rainfall over the isolated places in North and South Goa. Well, that's all we have in today's HCN Evening News Bulletin. For more updates, please do subscribe to our HCN YouTube and also follow us on Twitter and Facebook at O Heraldo Goa. Until then, goodbye.